वीज खात्यान 2024-25 3.5% दरवाढ केल्ली. अंदूच्या आर्थीक वर्सा गोंय सरकारान 5.95% वीज दरवाढ मागल्या म्हूण म्हायती मेळटा. आज पणजे जनसुनावणी जाली. फुडल्या 3 वर्सांत एकूण 16% दरवाडीचे 3 वर्सुकी प्रस्ताव. चीफ इंजिनियर स्टीफन म्हणटा डिमांड वाडटा तसो खर्च वाडटा.
5 years is 5.95% hike for the year 25-26. Then it is 5.64%. Then the third year is 4.88%. And the last 2 years there is no tariff hike, where the rate is between 1 rupee 80 paise to 3 rupees 50. The what was signed 20 years back. And since we are going to go for the renewables, so there is a slight confusion whether we should go for long term, because Goa has a vision to go for 100% renewables. During peak hours, our power demand increases by almost 25 to 35%. And during peak hours, the power available in the open market is at a rate of 10 rupees, anything between 8 to 10.
मजगती वीज दरवाढीविशीं विरोध कायम. लोकांचोय विरोध.
This increase will not only, burden the common man, but also kill the industries. Tariff is going to impact the common man, the common business guys, the startups, as it will increase the operating cost. That more than 100 crores is been pending to be recovered from government-owned departments. So recover this from the government-owned department first.
Every day you see new buildings are coming up. These buildings agreements are being made with A and B and various other tourism setups. And these are actually commercial businesses which are running on domestic power. So there has to be, at least for the last 5 years, department has to take the data from town and country planning, visit these areas, look at these buildings, who is living there. That the JARC should consider asking the department to set up a specific cell to analyze the data.
प्रोडेंटा खातीर रुपेश रावत.